Hi, I'm Darcy Kitching, author of the new pack guide, The Best Urban Hikes Boulder. I've lived here in beautiful South Boulder, Colorado for the past 9 years, and I've been walking and hiking the area ever since. I develop scenic routes between 1 and 26 miles for others to enjoy. Just because we're staying at home right now doesn't mean we should be staying inside all the time. In fact, getting outside and enjoying Colorado's fresh air and sunshine is one of the most important ways we can take good care of ourselves and our families. Now is the perfect time to take up urban hiking! Urban hiking is all about appreciating and discovering the wonders of where we live, exploring our own neighborhoods without ever getting in our cars and driving to the mountains. All around Boulder County, we have fantastic options for getting a great hike in without ever getting in our cars. Today, I'm taking a healthy 5-mile urban hike just by walking right outside my front door. So grab your favorite face covering. Come along with me, see if you can find these 5 different types of things in your neighborhood. Public art or murals, paths or trails for people only, nearby nature with water and trees, an awe-inspiring view, and neighborly invitations to connect. I'm always on the lookout for creative and inspiring details in my neighborhood, like this cute fox guarding an underpass. So the fox has been here for quite a while, but I just noticed this new artwork on the other side of the underpass. Have you found any new or creative details in your neighborhood lately? Maybe some new murals or artwork? Boulder's network of paved bike and pedestrian paths makes it easy for me to connect the dots on my urban hikes without having to worry about crossing busy streets. Where are your nearest paved or dirt trails or paths just for people walking or bicycling? Nature is an essential component of a great urban hike. In my book, I include maps, photos, and descriptions of 22 walks in beautiful natural areas in the city of Boulder, Longmont, Lafayette, Louisville, Niwot, and Superior, all around Boulder County. Right here in my own neighborhood, I love walking around this wetland area under the shade of the cottonwood trees. Think about your own favorite natural area within walking distance of your home. Can you think of a new way to get there? In Boulder County, we're lucky that we don't even have to go to the mountains to take in awe-inspiring views. Just look around right where you are. I call this urban hike the Gratitude Loop because it reminds me just how beautiful my own little part of the city of Boulder is. The opportunity we all have right now is to fully appreciate the places we live and to get out into them and discover these amazing views from new angles. We were made to connect with each other, and even though we're keeping our distance for now, we can still appreciate all the different ways our neighbors are reaching out and wanting to connect with each other. Little free libraries are a great way to do that. On your next solo or family walk, think about bringing a book to share in the little free libraries near you, or look for other neighborly invitations to connect, such as little free pantries, or places to leave or write notes, or other creative invitations. Don't see any? Now is a great time to create one. This neighborhood has a little free library and a pantry box where neighbors can leave food bank donations. I love this little free library and the fact that the family put a bottle of hand sanitizer in it to keep everyone safe. Last year, as part of my work with Boulder's Pedestrian Advisory Committee, I made a bunch of these walking rocks, and now I'm leaving them around the neighborhood. So get outside and explore the wonders all around you. Artworks, paths and trails, even streets if they're safe, nearby nature, awesome views, and new fun and creative ways to connect with your neighbors. That's what urban hiking is all about. It's something we can all do right here, right now to keep ourselves and our families active, healthy, and happy